Hey, welcome back. I wanted to do a purple eyeliner look, so I had to make one. 7. Starting out by priming my eyelids with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Fair Beige. Setting my eyelids with the Coty Spun Translucent Powder with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Powder Puff. Using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions 9-pan palette, starting lightly with shade 7 through the crease. This shade is more of a magenta, but if you use it lightly, it shows up more of a pink. I really wanted a dark purple liner, so I used shade 6 and some setting spray. I sprayed the setting spray into the cap, dipped the brush in, wiped off some excess water, then swiped around in a small area of the corner of the eyeshadow to make almost a cream eyeshadow texture. This purple is a metallic, so it looks really pretty in the light. Adding more of the pinky shade, I felt like it should have been more vibrant. For the lid, I'm going in with shade 8 with a wet brush. It's a pale frosty baby pink with a fine peachy shimmer in it. Concealing my dark circles and where I want a little more coverage with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Fair Beige. I forgot to film myself priming, but I used the Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Primer. Applying a thin layer of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. I lightly go over any edges of concealer under my eyes just to make sure everything is blended, and add any extra coverage to my nose area. Setting my pores, where I crease and where I get oily with the Coty Spun Translucent Powder and the e.l.f. Cosmetics Powder Puff. Setting the rest of my face with a light amount of the powder and a fluffy brush, also dusting away any excess powder. Framing my bottom lash line with shade 7 about 2/3 of the way. Using shade 6, wet, really tight to the last line. I'm using it almost like a drop liner, but I still add liner later too. Highlighting the inner third and inner corner with shade 8. I love eyeshadows like this. Let me know if you have any recommendations. Bronzing my cheekbones, temples, forehead, and sides of my nose with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. For blush, I'm using the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette with the cooler pink blush in Talented. Highlighting with the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette Highlight in shade Empowered. Melting down the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. To fill in my brows, I'm lightly going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. To keep them in place all day, I'm setting them with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift Gel. Lining and tight lining with the e.l.f. Cosmetics No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. Finishing the eyes off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. I know I said I was going to get out the new one, but I didn't. It's still going strong after over a year lol. Bottom lash mascara is always needed for me. I swear it makes my eyes look bigger. Lining and filling in my lips with the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind lip liner in Mocha. This color works on so many skin tones. It's worth trying, if you can find it in stock. Topping with the Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick in Romantic Rose. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.